We hear a lot about getting certified in the tech world to the point where it can feel a little overwhelming, but every now and then a certification comes along that really cuts through the noise, one that's tied to not just a higher salary, but genuinely useful skills. Today, we're talking about one of those, the AWS Certified Solutions Architect.
You've hit on the key point right away. This certification, specifically the SAA-C03, isn't just a piece of paper. It's about a deep, practical understanding of how to build things on the world's biggest cloud platform. The certificate gets you the interview, but the skills you learn are what build a career.
Let's dive into that. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is a major credential. It's designed to prove you can design and deploy systems on AWS that are scalable, cost-effective, and resilient. And it's not just talk, it's consistently ranked as one of the top-paying IT certifications out there.
Absolutely. What's so powerful about it is that focus on real-world application. It's not about memorizing abstract facts. It's about gaining the abilities that companies are desperate for right now to build and manage their cloud infrastructure effectively.
So, what exactly does an AWS Solutions Architect do, and how does the exam test for that? The role itself is about designing cloud solutions that meet specific business needs, thinking about scale, security, and cost. And the SAA-C03 exam breaks this down into 4 key areas. 30% is on designing secure architectures, 26% on resilient architectures, 24% on high-performing architectures, and the last 20% on cost-optimized architectures. It's a 130-minute exam with 65 questions.
That breakdown of the domains is incredibly revealing. It tells you exactly what AWS prioritizes. Security is number 1, with the biggest weighting. That's not an accident. It's followed very closely by resilience, making sure things don't break, and then performance. Cost is critical, but it comes after you've built something secure and reliable.
The exam structure, with its specific domain weightings, really highlights what AWS prioritizes. What's the so what behind these percentages for someone preparing for the SAA-C03?
The so what is that this is your study guide, handed to you on a silver platter. It tells you that you can't just be a generalist. You have to go deep on security and resilience. It's AWS telling you that the absolute non-negotiable foundation of any good architecture is that it's secure and can withstand failure. After you've nailed that, then you focus on making it fast and affordable. It's a philosophy. Build it right first, then optimize.
That's a crucial strategic insight for anyone preparing. So we know what the exam covers and the importance of the architect role. What are the tangible benefits of actually earning this AWS Certified Solutions Architect certification?
Earning the SAA-C03 certification brings really significant career advantages. It opens doors to roles like Solutions Architect, Cloud Architect, and Systems Engineer, and because it's AWS, it's a globally recognized credential. And let's be practical, certified professionals almost always command higher salaries. It validates your knowledge in a way that a resume line item just can't.
So it's a clear signal to employers that you have in-demand, proven skills, the mix of career opportunities, industry recognition, and a real bump in earning potential makes it a powerful move for anyone serious about a cloud career.
That's it exactly. And beyond the money and the job titles, it genuinely deepens your understanding of how to solve complex technical problems in the cloud. You come out of it a better engineer.
So if you had to boil it all down for someone listening, what are the key things to remember about the SAA-C03?
Well, first, remember that the AWS Solutions Architect Associate is an incredibly valuable and popular certification, and it's recognized as one of the highest paying in IT. Second, the exam itself is a practical test focused on 4 main areas, with security and resilience being the most heavily weighted, which tells you what to focus on. And finally, the benefits are real and measurable. You get career advancement, global recognition, and a significant boost to your earning potential. It's a strategic investment in your future.